Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers. So today I have taken a Maths Olympiad challenge. The question is from algebra inequality x, y, z all greater than 0. Prove that 2 over x plus y plus 2 over y plus z plus 2 over z plus x greater than equals to 9 over x plus y plus z. So this question we can solve it very easily if we take this one inequality. I have already in some video discussed, that is your angle form of the great Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. What's it? If a1, a2, a3, maybe an all greater than 0, similarly b1, b2, b3, bn, each of the members greater than 0, then the inequality says a1 square over b1 plus a2 square over b2 to an square up to bn is greater than equals to a1 plus a2 plus a3 up to an whole square over b1 plus b2 plus b3 up to bn. So here the question is rewriting the question to prove over x plus y is 2 over y plus z plus 2 over z plus x is greater than equals to 9 over x plus y plus z. So I'll take a1, b1, c1, a1, a2 as a1. Let's take a1 equals to square root 2, a2 equals to square root 2, a3 is also square root 2, and b1 as x plus y, b2 equals to y plus z, and b3 equals to z plus x. Then using inequality, two square over x plus y plus root 2 square over y plus z plus root 2 square or z plus x. This will be the left hand side of this expression, this one. Then it would be greater than a1 root 2 plus a2 root 2 plus a3 root 2 whole square, where b1 is x1 plus y, y plus b2 plus b3 is z plus x. This implies that I'm getting 2 over x plus y plus 2 over y plus z plus 2 over z plus x is greater than equals to 3 root 2 square over twice your x plus y plus z. this proves that 2 over x plus y plus 2 over y plus z plus 2 over z plus x is greater than equals to 3 square 9 into 2 over 2x plus y plus z. So this proves our result. 2 over x plus y plus 2 over y plus z plus 2 over z plus x is greater than equals to 9 over x plus y plus z. Proved. Thank you for watching.